Meaning of front line.
Front line.
Front line.
Front line.
Front line. The term front line is commonly used to describe the area where military forces engage in direct combat with enemy forces. It also refers to the most important position or role in a particular activity or organization. In a broader sense, it can refer to any situation where people are actively involved in confronting a difficult or dangerous challenge, such as frontline healthcare workers during a pandemic or humanitarian aid workers in a war zone. The term emphasizes the bravery, sacrifice, and dedication required to face danger or adversity head-on, often at great personal risk.